The name actually came from the Spanish explorers, and it means red, color red, because the Colorado River carries a lot of sediment, and when the Spanish saw it, it looked very reddish, and so the name originated from the early Spanish explorers in the American Southwest.
The Colorado River is really a desert river. It's a hard-working river. Water from the Colorado River serves 30 million people in the American Southwest and the Republic of Mexico. Now, people hear about that around the world and they think the Colorado River must be very, very big, but as you can see here, it's not very big at all.
Very water-short area like we have in the southwestern Colorado River states, 7 states, Colorado, New Mexico, Wyoming, Utah. That's what we call the upper basin states. Lower basin states are Nevada, Arizona, and California, and then Mexico, the Republic of Mexico. So the Colorado River starts here in Colorado, but the state of Colorado can only use 1/3 of the river. The rest of it, 2/3, must go downstream to these other states and Mexico.